Elixir, as a functional language, brings the robustness and maintainability we all aspire to achieve in our projects. One critical part of this is testing, and in Elixir, ExUnit and property-based testings are our trusted companions, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Let's begin with ExUnit, Elixir's built-in testing framework. Here's a simple test written using ExUnit. In this example, we define a test module called mathTest, and inside it, we use exunit.case to include various testing functionalities. The test macro lets us define our test. Here, it simply checks if 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. ExUnit provides a simple and intuitive interface for writing tests, but Elixir also offers another, more powerful testing approach, property-based testing. Property-based testing, introduced with the stream data library, is all about describing the properties of your code and letting the computer generate the tests. Let's take a look at a basic example. In this property-based test, we are checking that for all integer values of a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. We're not testing any specific cases, but a property of our code. So with these powerful tools at your disposal, you'll be able to write robust and reliable Elixir code. That's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.